Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we'll discuss very important topic, remuneration paid by CBSE to teacher and official appointed for practical exam duty. If you are a teacher, external examiner or lab assistant, this video will help you understand how much payment you will receive during practical exam. So let's begin. So before that, first let us see how many support staff are allowed during practical exam. So if you are having practical exam of physics, chemistry, biology, geography or home science, for that you should have one assistant superintendent, which is the internal school subject teacher. Like if for physics exam, that school physics teacher is assistant superintendent. Then one lab assistant and one lab bearer. Same way for computer subject also, you have 3 persons allowed, one assistant superintendent, one lab assistant and one laboratory bearer. Then for music and dance, you have only 2 staff, like one instrument player and another one music or dance room helper. Then for any other subject, you have one assistant superintendent and one laboratory bearer. Then for every exam, sanitary or cleaning staff is required per day. Now let us see how much payment their CBSE is going to pay to all this official. So first one, assistant superintendent, which is internal examiner, they will be paid 200 rupees per day. Same way other also, like laboratory assistant, laboratory bearer, instrument player, music or dance room helper or sanitary staff, all are going to get 200 rupees per day, and all this staff belong to that particular school only. Now let us see the payment for external exam. External exam for fine arts subject, they are going to receive 25 rupees per student. Like imagine if that school has 100 student, means that external exam is conducting practical for 100 student, then he will be paid 100 student into 25, means 2500 rupees he will be paid. But imagine if that school has very less student. Now imagine only 10 students are there, so it will be 10 into 25, only 250. So for that case, they will get minimum 500 rupees. Next, other than that, they are also going to get conveyance or refreshment charge, which is 250. So minimum, all the external examiner for fine arts subject, they are going to get 500 plus 250, means totally minimum 750 rupees per school they are going to get. For all other subject, whether it's a practical or project, their teacher external examiner is going to get 15 rupees per student, subject to minimum 300. Means if imagine 100 students are there, then 15 into 100, he will get 1500 rupees payment. If he has very less student, imagine he has 10 students only, then in case it will be 150. So he should get 300, because minimum they should get 300. Plus they are going to get 250 rupees conveyance charge as well. So that means this external examiner, they are going to get minimum 550 rupees per school. Next, even a school, CBSE is going to pay some amount to school as well. For practical subject, school will be paid 15 rupees per subject, per student. Same way for each exam. Same way for project component, they are going to get 5 rupees per student. And for few exams, CBSE also appoint observer. So observer, they are going to receive 500 rupees per day plus 750 rupees, 250 rupees as a conveyance or refreshment charge. So they are going to get paid fixed amount, which is 750 rupees per day. And all the payment will be made through integrated payment system. This examiner and observer, they need to submit their bank detail to that school where they are conducting the practical, and those detail will be uploaded on IPS portal by that school, and after that these exams are over, CBSE will do payment through that. I hope this video help you understand complete remuneration structure for CBSE practical exam duty. If you found this video helpful, please hype, like, share and subscribe to MJ Manjari for more CBSE update and educational information. Thank you for watching.